Hi there. If you've ever found yourself rebuilding the same report filters over and over again, or digging through old notes trying to remember how you debugged something last time, we've got something that's going to save you a ton of time. Let me introduce you to Trackingplan's saved reports. With saved reports, you can save, organize, and share your custom views across your whole team. Whether you're spotting inconsistencies in Trackingplan's presence map, validating tracks in our Tracks Explorer, or deep diving into Trackingplan's Data Explorer, you can save your personalized reports views for future reference or team sharing. From there, give it a name and add a description to help your teammates understand its purpose. Once saved, you'll find it in the new Saved Reports section, along with useful information like the report name and the short description you or any of your teammates added. The report type, indicating whether it was built using Data Explorer, Tracks Explorer, or any other report available in Trackingplan. Who created it, showing whether the report was created by you, another team member, or pre-configured by Trackingplan. And of course, the creation date to quickly understand how current the report is. And if a report is no longer relevant, you can easily manage it through the three-dot menu next to each saved report. Here, you'll have the option to delete it with a click, or make edits to your filters to then choose between saving it to update the existing report or saving it as a new report to keep both versions. And because we know starting from scratch may sometimes be challenging, Trackingplan provides a set of default reports to make it easier to get started. You'll find these ready-to-go reports marked with the gallery tag for easy recognition. Let's have a quick look at them. The Recent Tracks with Warnings report to instantly spot requests that contain specification mismatches or warnings. Ideal for debugging problematic tracks, validating fixes, or investigating recurring issues in your implementation. The GA4 Events by Consent Settings report. Very useful for detecting whether analytics or marketing events are firing when they shouldn't. For instance, when user consent hasn't been granted. Page Views by Country Code. Ideal to understand where your traffic is coming from geographically. Think of it as a useful starting point to validate country-based implementations, troubleshoot localization issues, or monitor region-specific campaigns. Page Views by Browser Family, a quick way to analyze how different browsers interact with your site. Use it to spot browser-specific tracking anomalies, validate cross-browser support, or simply understand the technology stack your users rely on. You can use these reports like this or customize them to better match your needs. At the very least, they'll save you from the creative panic of staring at a blank canvas wondering where to start. We hope this helps you cut down on repetitive work and get straight to what matters when debugging or monitoring. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy tracking!